there was an agent named Zoom. He was the world's most famous superhero. He was the best motorbike driver. His best friend is a pirate. One day, his friend said, "The day has come to take my revenge." Just when Zoom thought all was lost, the pirate became blind. The pirate fell to the ground. The pirate woke up, and here he was inside the bathroom, sleeping. Next, everyone put his photo on the news. Then the pirate said, "Would you get out? I'm trying to brush in here." Then his head got red and fell in the toilet. Then the pirate said, "Could you get that for me?" Then he got out of the bathroom and punched his face and fell asleep and started to drool.